Yo guys, what's good? Today I'm going to be walking you through a flying lap of TeamSport Leicester. This is going to be a hot lap guide and essentially how to drive it. It's all going to be packed into one lap with commentary and analysis. But before I do that, I'm going to let the lap play out so you can see what it looks like commentary free. Alright, so firstly, this track has 3 hairpins on, which are very low speed corners. It's generally quite a low speed team sport track anyway. And the technique for these hairpins is exactly the same. It's a quick, sharp stamp of the brakes, counter steer to move around the corner, straighten up and get on the accelerator as soon as you can. With that being said, you can watch my steering and my pedal input now on this lap. So you want to point the car in here. And then as you're coming up to hairpin 1 at the end of this post here, that's where you should brake. And as I said, it's a short stamp on the brakes. Come around here, I use the end of that checkered tile or the checkered paint on the floor. And again, a sharp stamp on the brakes. Then you want to sweep over to the right hand side and hit both apexes under the bridge. And then come around to hairpin 3, I use the checkered paint on the floor again. And just as that goes out of sight, use that to brake. Up the ramp, you want to stay in the middle of the track, then sweep over to the left hand side at the top, and you don't want to brake here, but just after that black board on the floor, that's when you want to let off the throttle, go for a late apex around the corner, keep it straight, and then at the bottom of the ramp, lift off when you see the metal strip, truck the car in, hit both the apexes, and then keep it straight at full throttle around this whole section back to hairpin 1. So as I said, there's only one lap of commentary. And I know it was very tightly packed as well, so feel free to rewind, replay anything that you might have missed, especially if it's your first time coming here. It might take a couple of times to absorb all the information. I would like to say, please consider subscribing and checking out my other karting videos that I've got posted and maybe uploaded by the time you watch this. And feel free to leave any suggestions, comments, likes. As always, thank you for watching my TeamSport Leicester HOTLAP guide, and I hope to see you again soon.